Hey guys, Jeff at Auto Sauce, and we're going to go through the proper way of cleaning windows. Nobody likes to do them because they all leave streaks. So we've got our Salsa Verde glass cleaner, we've got our cinnamon spice microfiber, we have our Tesla back window, so we're ready to go. So what you want to do, spray it right on the window. We're in a nice cool spot, so it's not going to get fried right away. I'm going to go, you can either go up and down or side to side, but I'll show you why you want to pick a direction and stick with it. So right now we'll just go side to side. I'll even get this little back window here. So I went side to side, and you think you're done, but you're not. Flip it over to the dry side of your microfiber and then go opposite. So go up and down. And going up and down is going to now buff all of your marks that you went side to side on. We'll buff them out pretty much and leave it streak free. You can then do the inside, since Salsa Verde glass cleaner is safe for tinted windows. So once again, a couple little sprays. I've got my wet side. I'll go side to side. Flip it over, and I will go up and down. It's the easiest thing you can do for the windows. This car was washed, so water just got back up there. Just do a quick little wipe this way, and dry side, and that way. And we are done. As you can see, there are no streaks on it. You can even see me in the reflection.